Myanmar in 2024. The water reservoir at the top was used for water storage from jade mining, but an accident caused it to rupture, and the contents cascaded down the mountain, causing a terrible flood. Not many people understand the destructive power of water like sailors do. Just look at what they have to deal with during storms. You might think this incident in Turin, Italy was due to human error, but no. A strong current ripped the two boats away and carried them towards the bridge. As soon as these Italian workers saw signs of a collapse, they made a run for it. Probably the best decision of their lives. Just seconds later, 350 cubic meters of rock came crashing down. Having a house by a river sounds great, as long as it doesn't turn into a house in a river.
That's crazy how much stuff is just built up right there. Oh my. I just got that whole thing.
This lava flow might not be moving fast, but it's destroying everything in its path. Back in 2018, this eruption in Hawaii had residents watching in horror as the lava crept closer to their homes. In 2011, the people of Genoa, Italy, experienced the wrath of the Mediterranean Sea. Due to the non-stop rain, most of the city was flooded. The total damage was estimated to be over $1 billion.
Oddio, 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 un disastro! Le macchine! Il fiume, vedi? Gente che cade. Il pullman da solo viene trascinato dall'acqua.
Guarda qui qua, ma come fanno a passare quelli lì?
In 2023, heavy rains in India caused rivers to overflow. Unfortunately, nature didn't hold back, and many houses paid the price. Being an Antarctic researcher is a challenging job, and this is just a simple walk from one module to another.